We talk money matters because money matters. A very important topic that I wanted to talk about is credit. It's actually my favorite subject. I have many years of credit experience. I actually started my financial banking career as a loan officer where I help people repair their credit, get in better financial situations, whether it's through loan consolidations or buying their first home, paying off debt, etc.
Master of coin.
One of the quick myths I want to debunk is your credit card balances. Pay off your balances at the end of every month. Do not keep a balance on your credit card.
Don't do it. Reconsider.
Let me repeat that. Do not keep a balance on your credit card. I've had so many people come to me and say, oh, I spoke to this financial person and they told me that it's important that I keep a balance on my credit card every month so that I can establish credit.
Listen to me. Like I do this all the time.
That is a myth.
A liar, a cheater, a deceiver.
You do not need to do that. Make sure you pay off your credit card at the end of every month. This way, that financial institution does not make money off of you. Every time that you have a balance on your credit card that you do not pay off at the end of every month, that financial institution is going to make money from you because of the interest on that revolving line of credit. So it's important to pay that off so that they're not making money off of you. And stay away from cards with annual fees. You don't have to have an annual fee unless it's your first card that you're just not getting established. So make sure you pay those off at the end of every month. And when it comes to revolving utilization, I'll have to do a different video to break down what revolving utilization is just for sake of time. If you have a credit card that has $1,000 limit, never go over $400 on the card, okay? Even if you're going to pay it off at the end of every month, never spend more than $400 if you have $1,000 limit on your card. What does that mean? That means never use more than 40% of your credit card limit. 40%. Whatever your limit is on the card, and you multiply that times 0.04. And what that's going to do is give you a number. That number is the max you ever want to spend on your credit card in 1 month. And make sure you pay it off before the month is over. That will help you establish better credit. And if you have a rewards card, it'll actually save you money because you're getting cash back on all of your purchases. And I have different techniques that I'll talk about in later videos that'll help you with that. Thank you for watching The Sanders Financial. I'm your host, Ladarius Sanders, where we talk money matters because money matters.